Hi, this is Anjana Arun from Anjana's Culinary and Art Institute. We are in this field for past 13 years and we have been taking classes for more than 9,000 plus students in India and abroad. We believe in creating entrepreneurs and kidpreneurs as well as. And we have created lots and lots of entrepreneurs in different fields, irrespective of their profession, irrespective of the gender and irrespective of the age. There have been kids who have become entrepreneurs. There have been professionals who have become entrepreneurs, the teachers who have become entrepreneurs. So now, after teaching for so many students, we have a mission. And my mission, my lifetime mission, is to create a revolution in the baking industry by creating 1 million eggless home bakers. You all heard it right. It's eggless home bakers through my intensive baking solutions. Now, I just have a warm welcome to you all to join my classes and just get the opportunity, make use of this opportunity and create your own revolution.